Well, here I am again. Right now, there is a blizzard going on outside. So we're going to make a blizzard inside. Let me get my gloves off. I don't know about up north. They don't have any snow, and we've got almost 30 inches. So here we are. Anyway, we're going to make a blizzard. Now, with a blizzard, you have to have bourbon. So use whatever bourbon is your favorite. Jack Daniels is good, whatever. So we're going to have 1.5 ounces of bourbon. We're going to have 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. Put that in there. And 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Just a little bit of lime juice in there. I'm not a big lime drinker, so I don't like a lot of it. And fresh lemon juice. So we'll get that in there. And we don't want to really shake it up, so we are going to stir it. And because it's a bourbon drink, we want to do it in a rock glass. But, you know me, I like my crushed ice. Got to put this to good use. So, let me get this in here. Let me pour my crushed ice. I just like the way the drinks when they get real cold. All right, and I'm pouring my blizzard in with my ice skates, which I'll probably be using pretty soon if I can stand on them again. And here's our blizzard, and I'm going to rim my glass with lemon. Put a little more lemon in it and toss it off. And I don't care how cold it is outside, because this is going to really warm me up. Happy blizzarding, everybody!